Hello everyone, this is Jasmine here. I'm the sole owner of Learner's House Tutorial. Yeah, it's an online-based tuition service that I have started to run in this lockdown for the student of Key Stage 1 and 2 in the subject of Math and English. Side by side, I do teach adult English learning as well. Right, and I would like to introduce myself a little bit more. I do work as a graduate teaching partner in a primary school in UK, and my profession has given me the chances to make a probe into the child psychology and behavior management, national curriculum, and the different policies that are ongoing. Not only that, I am a mom, and I am a mom of two primary school going kids. And this has given me another bright chance to know the parents' mentality when they do deal with the kids in their learning, in their teaching, right? And exactly in this current situation, I have felt it, how the parents, especially the working parents, are struggling with their kids' learning, right? When they are off school in that unexpected situation. So definitely we are hoping for the best, but I just want to stretch this opportunity or this situation to make a little bit more so that I can help them out a little bit more, right? And with this purpose, I have started my online tuition, and I do face-to-face tuition as well. So if you just like my website, give a little thing and contact with me, right? And it will be really great if I can help you out in this situation. And I do pray for all of you, for all the kids, for the safe coming back in the school in the September. Take care. Bye bye.